Are you using LinkedIn effectively? LinkedIn is a social network that for far too long was just a place to upload your resume and to never really check back in until you were looking for a job. Nowadays, LinkedIn is used to create content, to join communities, and most importantly, to connect with other professionals. Today, I want to show you how to grow your LinkedIn network in just 5 minutes per day. We call this the 5x5 method. You set a timer for 5 minutes and you follow these steps we're going to outline in this video. You can do this after you check your email, before you head out for lunch, or at the end of the day when you're shutting down. But if you follow these simple steps, you will be sure to grow your network on LinkedIn. Let's check it out. Okay, so you're on your LinkedIn feed. The first thing you're gonna do is find 5 posts that resonate with your business or your industry, or even just you personally, and you're gonna like them. So kind of go through here and find posts that you like. 5 is the minimum. Next thing you're gonna do is find 5 posts to comment on. So if it's a resource or somebody, has shared something that you like, you can thank them for sharing, comment on their posts, find things through here that you can comment on, congratulating people, thanking them for sharing something that resonates with you, whatever it might be, wishing them good luck. Find 5 posts to comment on. Then you're gonna find 5 posts to share. So if it's an article or resource that's related to your industry or your business, you can share this and add your 2 cents. All right, so that's just an example of how you do that. I've already shared this, so I'm not going to share it again. Another thing you can do is look for hashtags, right, that are related to your industry, and go in here and interact with this content as well. So for instance, there might be some people in here you never have met, but are sharing things that are helping you in your industry. So you might share some of their content. So here's a great article on building trust and staying visible in the world of social media. So you might like, comment, or share this. The next thing you do is find 5 new people to connect with. So how you do that is you go up to your network and you click there, and you will look here, and they have actually given you suggestions on people you might want to connect with. So what I like to do is you click on people that live in my area, see all, and I go through here and see if there's some folks that I should be connecting with that are either in my industry or even in my region that I might be doing business with or establishing some type of a professional relationship or partnership with. So go through here, see if there's anybody in here that you might want to connect with, even if you don't know them and they don't know you. That's what LinkedIn is all about, is making connections with some new people. And last but certainly not least, go into your messages. Across the top here, you want to click messages. Go through here and follow up with people. As you can see, here's an example. I connected with Jacob, just sent him a message and then started a conversation with him. There's some other people in here that I've connected with after we've connected, or even just some people that I've checked in with to say congratulations on a new job, and we've communicated back and forth. Make sure you're being personal, send personalized messages to some folks, whether they're new connections or whether they're just people you want to check in with and see how things are going. A bonus tip here would be to use audio to send messages, right? On the mobile app, you can actually send voice memos to people. It's a very nice way to send a personalized message through audio. Hey, David, thanks for the invite. It's nice to be connected with you, and I just want to let you know I'm really enjoying your book. Take care. 5 things you want to like posts, comment on posts, share posts, 5 new connections, 5 messages. You can do all this in 5 minutes or less.